So where last I left off, I was showing that they sold juices for 2,500 but received 2,600 in cash. So here we see the 2,500 being recorded because that's how much revenue they earned for that week. But because they received 2,600, which was $100 more than the revenue they earned for that week, we're going to reduce the amount of outstanding to 100 because a customer would have paid them $100 extra from what they owed from the previous week. And your cash balance would reflect how much you actually received. Okay, so that would be a total of 2,600, bringing this to 10,600. Okay, the last thing on week 4 was that they ordered some shirts for work, but since it wasn't delivered or anything like that, you do not record this transaction. You only record it when it's delivered. Okay, so we're moving on to week 5, where they paid $1,150 on the blender and chiller that was purchased in the first week. But note that 150 out of that 1,150 is for interest, and that happens when there's a loan. In the loan, there's always a portion of principal that's being paid and a portion of interest that's being paid. The portion of principal would affect directly your balance sheet, right? And the portion of interest would affect your expense. So I'm going to record the expense first, which is 150. And I will also record the cash balance, cash that was paid, so paid on loan, and that was 1,150. Forgot them, right? And therefore the total amount that's left in the cash is 9,450. Okay, and then we go to the balance sheet now, and the balance sheet is where we're going to make the adjustment for how much they're actually paying on the loan. Now, if 1,150 included interest of 150, that means they're reducing the principal by 1,000. So this goes down to 4,000 on the short-term loan. Okay, I hope that is understood. Remember, all loans have a principal and an interest. So you have to make sure how much was paid off of the principal in your balance sheet and how much is your interest that will go as an expense.